Good morning, student. Today we are going to see science class. It's a third term, first lesson, green environment. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the waste management. And we are human beings. We are creating the trashes and also we are polluting our natures. And using the unwanted materials, it's called a waste. And we are creating a trashes in the form of solid, liquid and gas. You can see the solid thing is, for example, the plastic items, everything is a solid one. And liquid, we are polluting the water by using a um, polluted water like dyeing material and washable things. Every in the clothes factory and all, they release the polluted water, so it's a liquid form of pollution. And gas, for example, from the factory they creating the polluted air, and also from our vehicle we are polluting our air, so there is a affecting our natures by in the form of solid, liquid and gas. Even our household activities in industries and hospital wastage, everything is polluting our environment. First one, Srishtika is asking, Madam, I see lot of waste things in our surrounding. Is there any way we can reduce the waste things? She's asking. We are creating a lot of waste things surrounded, and it's a any way to reduce it. Is there any idea to reduce it? Her teacher saying, yes, there are many ways to reduce our waste. Reducing the waste is the first and most important step in a waste management. And next, Vimala asking, what is a waste management, madam? And teacher saying, it is a step we take to handle our waste and make sure our environment does not get dirty. So first we have all we have to think, we should not waste and we should not dirt or we should not pollute our environment. We all should have to take a step. It's our duty to protect our nature. The waste management deals with both biodegradable and non biodegradable. So we have to know what are the biodegradable and what are the non biodegradable waste. And Janani asking, can you please explain, ma'am, what is a waste management? Her teacher saying, there are four waste management. First one, separation of waste. Second one, waste collection and transportation. Third, waste recycling and compositing. And fourth one, waste disposal. So, um, the garbage collecting people will come to our house, they'll collect the waste or garbages thing, and they'll went to their plates and they'll separate everything in the form of three types. What are the biodegradable, recyclable and non recyclable? Plastic things we can't recycle, so try to avoid and the plastic things. There are some other things are recyclable and some other things we should biodegradable. So see, there is this is a very important step in a waste management. See, our vegetable wastage we can separate as a biodegradable, and some other uh, products like leather and clothes we can recycle it as some other form, so they can separate or a sort means that you have to separate whatever things, whatever the biodegradable, the food items, everything it can be biodegradable, and it's in a green color box. And what are the things we can make it use afterwards? See, example, paper. The paper will consider as a trashes, the paper and cardboard, and they make a into recycle and they make the new format. as a useful. See the tissue papers, everything is all we can use it again. So it's all come under in a recycle thing. And non-recyclable things are plastics. So up to this we'll finish the class today. And next thing we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.